5 days of debate, still no verdict in the trial of two former FirstEnergy executives. They're accused of taking part in the largest bribery scheme in Ohio history. News 5's Morgan Trout tells us jurors are torn over whether they actually offered any bribes.
The last question that came in kind of goes to the heart of the jury deliberations.
If we cannot agree on the charge of bribery, do we evaluate the other charges? That's the question that the jury asked Summit County Judge Susan Baker Ross on Monday afternoon, signaling there may be a deadlock in the FirstEnergy corruption case. The state accuses former executives Chuck Jones and Mike Dowling of bribing Public Utilities Chair Sam Randazzo with $4.3 million to get beneficial rulings for their company and to help create House Bill 6, a $1 billion bailout for their struggling company. But in Akron,
so you take the time you need to deliberate.
Well, the jury's out, right? So it's been out for quite a while. So it looks like, at least both sides have done some pretty good work.
This deliberation period is telling for former U.S. Attorney David DeVillers, who worked with the FBI to get indictments of former Ohio House Speaker Larry Householder and former GOP leader Matt Borges, who had a joint 6-week trial in 2023. Both men were found guilty of accepting $61 million from FirstEnergy in exchange for HB 6 in just 9 hours, with the foreman of the jury telling us at the time that the prosecution and its witnesses laid out the case clearly from the start.
The FBI agent was on the stand. It just kind of caught my interest. And then from there on, I just felt like everything fell into place.
DeVillers notes some key differences between this trial and the one involving Householder and Borges, including the FBI special agent who narrated the case and explained the process to the jury. The state didn't have that. Also, the feds were able to show that Householder spent money on a home in Florida, whereas DeVillers points out that the state didn't show where exactly Jones and Dowling spent money.
It's a lot easier when you can prove it went to their pockets. 100%.
If the jury is stuck, we could be looking at a mistrial.
And they're in there, they're doing their best right now.
Regardless of the outcome of this case, it's not over yet. Jones and Dowling are facing federal racketeering charges for bribing Householder. But if acquitted in the state case, DeVillers says they may move to dismiss the federal charges.
Do you think that that's a failure of justice?
No, it's a frustration of justice, right? I mean, sometimes people can't come to a decision.
At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trout reporting.